A cold morning on another quintessential February morning here. Just looking over the high school field, back towards the safety building. This is the safety building, part 4. We are looking at a new structure that was built in the back. I believe it's going to be for fueling vehicles and so on. We're just coming up around the front here. Crazy wind this morning, but what a beautiful day. I got some footage of some deer in my neighborhood. I'll put that in the link in description below. You can check that out. But we're coming up over the green roof here. We had a indoor tour we saw this week, so that was pretty cool to see the inside of the safety building, but just getting a look now of the new additions to the outside of the building. And as it was cold, I had to come back, bring the drone around for warming a couple times. The wind just all of a sudden kicked up. It's almost like when the sun comes out and the clouds move out of the way. There's like a thermal and things kind of speed up a little bit, so I avoided that safely, but we're getting this view here of the new roof structure built in the back, just next to the geothermal connections there that we're poking out, and an aerial view here. Making sure we covered it from a few angles. I noticed these excavators still sprinkled around here. Love to see the construction yellow. Love excavators. Love big equipment. So it's always nice to see that on the job site when I'm filming. Just a couple angles here from the roof and that wind again. Hopefully we'll be buttoning up more windows and so on. And in just a few weeks, we'll have probably a ton more progress to show. So it's good to see all this work getting done in the cold and the snow. And I wanted to have this video covering that link of the construction, especially with the construction site covered in snow. So I hope you enjoyed. Cheers, take care, have a great night.